Hey viewers, this is Dhir from Zumet Capital Ahmedabad and welcome to the new video on the channel. Golden Visa program is offered by several European countries such as Portugal, Spain, Greece, Malta, Italy and several others. Each country has their own specific requirements and investment thresholds for the program. So today we are going to discuss one of the best Golden Visa programs by Portugal. So before moving forward, first of all, let's understand what is Golden Visa. Golden Visa programs are programs that offer residence permit within months in exchange for passive investment and low physical requirements. The Golden Visa program is a type of residence permit that allows non-European citizens to obtain a long-term residence in certain European countries in exchange for significant investments in government bonds, real estate, or business ventures. So now let's see what is Portugal Golden Visa. Portugal Golden Visa program is a popular investment-based immigration program which attracts foreign investors worldwide. This program was created in 2012 to attract foreign investment by offering permanent residency status to non-European nationals who invest in Portugal. Since its inception in 2012, this program has attracted over 10,000 investors while injecting more than $6 billion into the Portuguese economy. This visa allows investor to live, work and study anywhere in the country, and this has become an attractive option for the investors, those who are looking for the second residency or a retirement home in Portugal. Now let's see what are the investment options available for the Portugal Golden Visa. There are many options available for the investors to invest in Portugal, such as real estate, business ventures, fund subscription, etc. The first is real estate investment. One of the most popular investment is to buy a residential or a commercial property in Portugal. Then there are three options available for the investors. The first is 280,000 euro investment. You can buy a property in a low density area and only the properties in a rural area qualify for this type of investment. The next is 350,000 euros. You can buy a property in an urban area and the property must be at least 30 years old. Then the property must be renovated. And the last option is 500,000 euros. You can buy a property anywhere except Porto, Lisbon or along the coast. If you want to buy property in this area, then the only option left is to buy a commercial property. The investment can be in one property or 10 property, but it has to be at least that amount. Also, one point to note is all the properties must be held for minimum of 5 years. In this slide, I have attached a map of Portugal where it showcases which areas qualify and which areas do not qualify for the investment. As I mentioned earlier, you cannot buy properties along the coast, so that area is marked in red. Second option is capital transfer. A capital transfer of minimum 1.5 million euros in the Portuguese bank. Third option is fund subscription. A minimum of 500,000 euros in a qualifying Portuguese fund. There are specific requirements a fund need to qualify for the Portugal Golden Visa program. Fourth option is donation. A donation of 250,000 euros in national heritage in Portugal. And the last option is invest a minimum of 500,000 euros in an existing Portuguese business where the business is required to create 5 full-time jobs for at least 3 years. Now let's look what are the eligibility requirements for the Portugal Golden Visa. The Golden Visa has few requirements which an investor must meet in order to qualify. The first is minimum investment amount. The minimum investment amount can be done in any of the options mentioned above. The next is the applicant must be 18 years or old. The applicant must be a non-EU national. The applicant must maintain minimum stay requirements, which is 7 days in the first year and 14 days in the next 2 years. Now let's understand the application processing for the Portugal Golden Visa. This whole application might take around 4 to 15 months to process. Once your application is approved, you will receive your first permanent residence, which is valid for 2 years, and you are required to stay a minimum of 14 days in Portugal during this period. You are required to renew your current residence permit before it expires, which is around 1 to 3 months before expiration. Similar to the first residence permit, you will receive your second residence permit which is again valid for 2 years, and you are required to stay a minimum of 14 days during this 2 years in Portugal. At the end of 2 years, you will have to renew your residence permit, and then you will get your third residence permit, which is again valid for 2 years. In middle of this permit, you will reach your 5-year milestone, and then you have three different options. The first is you can continue on a temporary residence permit. The second option is apply for a Portuguese permanent residency. Or third, you can apply for Portuguese citizenship. For applying into citizenship or permanent residency, you should have a basic understanding of the Portuguese language, and you should clear the A2 level test. The Portugal Golden Visa went through some of the changes in February 2021. So now let's see what were the changes made one by one. The first is real estate options changed. Real estate investment in Portugal would only qualify the properties in the low density area. Properties in areas such as Lisbon, Porto, or any other coastal area would do not qualify for the Golden Visa program, and only the autonomous regions of Madeira or the Azores or in the interior territories would qualify for the Golden Visa program. Second is investment amounts increased. The first is a capital transfer jumped from 1 million euros to 1.5 million euros. The investment fund amount increased from 350,000 euros to 500,000 euros. Research and development amount increased from 350,000 euros to 500,000 euros. So when will these changes be implemented? So these changes came into effect on January 1st, 2022. Here we come to the end of the video. I have also written a detailed blog on Portugal Golden Visa, so I'll be attaching the link in the description. You can check it out. Stay tuned for the new video. Thank you.